What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're gonna be making the Vieux Mot. So the Vieux Mot was created by Don Lee in 2007, and this cocktail is loosely inspired by the last word, another cocktail. Vieux Mot, if you don't speak French, means old word. So it's kind of a riff, so loose, last word, old word. So basically what this is a gin sour variation, but instead of just, a gin sour, we're adding elderflower liqueur, Saint Germain in this case. But let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up our lemon, and we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Three-quarters of an ounce of that. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. So right here we have our basic sour spec. Sugar and citrus. Then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of gin. I'm using Beefeater. So there we have a gin sour, but this is where it becomes Vieux Mot. Oh, I love the smell of Saint Germain. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Saint Germain or elderflower liqueur of your choice. I highly recommend using Saint Germain because that's what they're known for, and they do a really bang-up job. We're gonna fill our tin with ice. We're gonna combine our tins, and we're gonna shake. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay, we're getting our chilled cocktail glass. And then we're gonna double strain into it. And we're gonna serve it garnishless. And just a tip. When I do double strains, that's for cocktails that aren't served with any ice. So not on the rocks. Usually tiki drinks, now I don't really ever double strain. I just single strain unless, again, it has no ice. But yeah, no garnish. And there we have it, the Vieux Mot. Let's give it a sip. Oh, the lemon and the elderflower really marry each other in a really harmonious way. I know I'm talking really poetic, but it's, oh my goodness. And the sweetness really drives that lemon and elderflower combination really well, and the gin, oh, it's really good. The juniper, and oh man, everything. This is really good. I don't know, I've been on a roll. I really don't try the cocktails. When I film, this is usually the first time I try it. And man, I've been on a streak. I really like these cocktails. Oh, well, there we have it, the Vieux Mot. Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Make sure to share this video with your friends who are into cocktails, especially during lockdowns and quarantines and stuff. This is a great way to enjoy a good drink without having to go out. Stay safe, everyone. See you in the next one.